Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with Venmo if it says that your payment is declined. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first thing what we want to do is open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, is to go ahead and open up Venmo.com right here, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page. On your mobile phone you want to download the Venmo application. So once you have downloaded and open it up, we can get started because the first thing we need to do is log in. So if you do not already have an account, what you can do is go and create a Venmo account, go and register for an account. Once you have gotten your account, just log in normally. So after logging into your Venmo, it's going to look like this. This is going to be your home page and main page from where we can get started. Here you can go ahead and access every section that you need, such as your home settings, your card settings, and account settings that we can use for accessing our Venmo and paying with it. So now we can get started. So after this, let's go and take a look at how we can get started with fixing our problem that the Venmo payment might have declined. So here an article showing us why we can try out. Basically guys, the first thing we can do is check out if we have any internet technical problems. If your internet is working and Venmo isn't down, the site and application are working, then we can try some other solutions such as the card issuer or bank decline by the payment. You might want to make sure that your bank is accepting this payment and you can make that payment as well. You want to go and make sure the Venmo payment limits are not exceeded. Maybe your account is locked or frozen, exceeded per transaction limit, and so on. You have multiple options right here that might be the problem. The best bet that you have is to go and call your bank or your card that your card is connected to. So go ahead and call your bank and ask what the problem might be and to check if your account is okay. If your account is okay, then you can go and get started contacting Venmo support, telling them what the problem is and if they can solve it, why you cannot make any payments. Basically that's what you can do. Go ahead and find out what the problem is. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.